If you are looking for Coursera AI courses and want the best way to save money, this guide will show you exactly how it works. Coursera AI courses cover everything from beginner basics to advanced AI skills, but the real advantage comes from choosing the right plan. Quick tip before we start. There is a link in the description that can give you a discount on Coursera Plus, which is the easiest way to access most AI courses without paying for each one separately. Let's start with the courses. Some of the most popular AI courses on Coursera include AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, which is perfect for beginners and explains AI in simple terms. If you want practical skills, Google AI Essentials is one of the best options. It focuses on real-world use cases like prompt engineering and generative AI tools. For more advanced learning, programs like Machine Learning Specialization or Deep Learning Specialization help you build deeper technical skills and move toward AI careers. Now, let's talk about pricing and discounts. The biggest mistake people make is buying courses individually. Many AI courses on Coursera cost separately, and if you take multiple courses, the total price adds up quickly. That is where Coursera Plus comes in. Coursera Plus is a subscription that gives you access to thousands of courses, including most AI programs, for one monthly or yearly price. This is especially valuable if you plan to follow a full learning path, like going from beginner AI courses to machine learning and then deep learning. There are also a few ways to save money. First, use the 7-day free trial. This lets you explore courses and even complete shorter ones before paying. Second, look for seasonal discounts like flash sales or back-to-school deals. Third, use affiliate discount links, which often give better pricing than standard sign-up pages. Here's the key insight. If you only want one course, paying individually can make sense. But if you are serious about learning AI, Coursera Plus is almost always the better deal because you get access to multiple courses, certificates, and full learning paths. And instead of guessing, many learners test courses during the free trial and then continue with a subscription if it fits their goals. If you want to explore AI courses or check if a discount is available, use the link in the description to get started with Coursera Plus.